My goal today is to take everything out of this cabinet, clean the cabinets, clean these turntables. I purchased all these from Marshall's, and of course I never pulled the labels or stickers off. I never did pull the ones at the bottom, of course. Clean them up, clean out the cabinets, throw out all the old spices from way back, from 4 years ago, and put the ones most used at the bottom and work my way up to the top with the ones I don't use that often. I went shopping one day in Marshall's, and I saw these, and I thought they looked like they would fit in my cabinet. So I got a few of them, what they had, brought it home, perfect. So I decided I need to get some more, and I kept checking the store, and eventually they got some more in, so I was able to complete my cabinets. And I went on Amazon before to try to see if I could find them, but they cost too much. I think they were like $3.49 at Marshall's. So now, 2 per shelf. Worked out perfectly. Now I've got to wipe these shelves down. It's kind of hard for me to take these shelves and adjust them. Those clips is difficult, so I don't bother. So I'm going to wipe them down, remove the items at the top. Supposed to be resting, and here I am doing all this. Supposed to be relaxing. All right. Shelf paper. I have none. I used to have shelf paper, but I think I ran out. I never lined those, only lined this one, because I use this one the most. So I'm going to put this back. Put it back in here. Line that. Whew. I have wiped all these out. I've wiped these out, so now I need to restock them with the spices. I'm not going to bore you with the details. I'm going to go ahead and clean that out. Okay, I'm going to start with these because they're going to go all the way back up to the top. So, the stuff I don't use too often. I got coconut oil, coriander, fennel seed. Here I'm going to add the ones I use most often on the bottom shelf, and then the ones I use less frequently will go up and above. This goes at the top. Now, all of these I don't use. These are some other spices I had in these jars, so what I'm going to do is incorporate them back into the original containers and use them and put these jars away or throw them away. I went ahead and organized the seasoning cabinet. I cleaned out everything. I threw out the old stuff that's been there for a while, and I still have an empty turntable at the top for extra stuff if needed. But I put my mostly used seasonings here at the first shelf, and then on up, you know, to the ones that I don't use that often. And these turntables I found works a lot better for me because I don't have a lot of cabinet space or drawer space in this kitchen, and these turntables allow me to spin it around and see what I have. And I used to have the spice jars, which is up there in the rack, but I got rid of it. So yeah. Every summer it gets so hot down here I do not use my oven. I bring my little toaster oven in from the garage, and this is what I use. So it's not that much baking going on in the summer, not here. Hopefully this video encourages you to go through your spice cabinet and clean out and get rid of all the old stuff. I still actually have my old towels hanging up there on the stove from Christmas. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Thumbs up, leave a comment, turn your notification bell, and I will see you on my next video. You take care now.